Liquidity pool, LP. So what is a liquidity pool? A liquidity pool is where there's many orders and where there's a lot of retail getting stopped out. So before a liquidity pool is valid, you need to identify the equal highs. Once you've got the equal highs, then you look left for the most recent and the most previous structure, which is this move here. You then get the range of this high and the range of this high, and this forms the liquidity pool, right? So just so you guys can see on the screen, you can see it on this example. This particular liquidity pool, once you drag it across, you can obviously see that this is the potential first entry. So the reason the liquidity pool is there is because once you've identified the equal highs, retail are now placing a stop loss above the equal highs. So they are getting stopped out. And you can see, look, they've been stopped out now. But there's also traders with a more conservative stop loss, and their stop loss are above the most recent structure. So their stop losses will be around here, just above there. And what happens is, you can see, voila, they get stopped out. But then we get involved on the liquidity pool here to the left, just after all the stop hunts. And this is where you can really capitalize on sniper entries using the liquidity pool technique.